guys, this is Ruby Red by Kirsten Gier. Yeah, Kirsten Gier. I loved this book. I thought it was so cool and unique. Basically, Ruby Red is about, our main character, his name is Gwen. And Gwen is this normal girl who lives a normal life. And so basically, she has a cousin named Charlotte. And all of her relatives think Charlotte has this gift. So basically in 12 minutes. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm describing this wrong, I'm trying my best. So basically, there's 12 families. There's 12 families, and in each family, one person has the gift to time travel. And so, in Gwen's family, everyone thinks Charlotte has the gift to time travel, especially because recently, she's been having these symptoms of having the gift and everything. But we soon find out that Charlotte isn't the one with the gift. Gwen is. Gwen is the one who can time travel. And so Gwen realizes this, and she doesn't know what to do about it because she wasn't prepared for it. Because you see, since Charlotte thought she had it her whole life, she was prepared for it. She did everything to get ready to time travel because she thought she had to get. But it turns out Gwen has to get to time travel. So Gwen doesn't know anything about it. She doesn't know what to do and everything. And so she randomly just keeps going back in time for no reason, and she doesn't know how to stop it and control it. And yeah, basically that's what it's about. And then also there's this guy named Gideon, and Gideon was friends with Charlotte. So basically Gideon was always with Charlotte, like they were friends, and they always prepared to time travel together because Gideon could also time travel. But soon Gideon realizes that Gwen's the one who could time travel, not Charlotte. And so Gideon is forced to travel back in time with Gwen. And so yeah, so they travel back in time together and get to know each other, and yeah, that's basically what the book is about. And also, Gwen is the ruby, because I guess in every family there's a different gem number. I forgot, but I know, or gem name I think. But she's the ruby, and that's basically what this book is about. It's about time traveling, which is so cool. Now here's my opinion. Did I already mention that I love this book? Because I did. I loved it. It was so different and unique. This book was so good. Okay, I loved the main character, Gwen. I loved her. She was awesome. I don't know why I loved her. If you guys read the book, you'll probably know why I loved Gwen. She was just a really cool character. I just loved her. Charlotte is a different story. Okay. Charlotte's a spoiled brat, and she's sort of like a snob. I didn't like her, but at the same time, I liked reading about her because, I don't know. I like reading books with mean characters for some reason. I don't know why, I find it entertaining. And then, at first, I did not like Gideon. He was really mean, and he really couldn't stand Gwen. So at first I didn't like him. But by the end of the book, I actually ended up liking him. And so yeah, okay. But like the plot was just so good. I just loved the plot of this book. Like the main character time travels. Like I told you, I never read a time traveling book before, so I loved it. I just thought the whole thing was just really creative. Like in each family, one person has the gift to time travel. I just thought that was so cool, and I loved reading about her going back in time. If you guys are wondering, did I like the romance? This book really doesn't have that much romance in it. So I really love this book. I definitely want to read the other books, because as you guys know, this is a trilogy. I want to read the next book, Sapphire Blue, because I want to know what happens, because the book kind of ends on a cliffhanger, and I want to know what happens next. So yeah, guys, I love this book. I highly recommend this book to anyone who loves time traveling books with an awesome female character, with an awesome main character. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this book, guys. I gave this book 5 out of 5 lily pads, obviously. And also, I have a review for this on my blog if you guys are interested in checking it out. Yeah, so that was my review. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys.